we are going to learn the practice set 3.3 and some solve problem in a textbook. आज आपण सर्कल या चॅप्टर मधील प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 यावरील काही सर्वच उदाहरणे पाहणार आहोत. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम इन अ प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3. In figure, point C, D, E, F are concyclic points of circle with center C. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Measure of arc DGF is equal to 200 degree. Find measure of arc DE and measure of arc DEF. C केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये पॉइंट D, E, F आणि G हे चक्रीय बिंदू आहेत. अँड अँगल ECF केंद्रीय कोन ECF इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री दिलेला आहे. अँड मेजर ऑफ आर्क DGF इज इक्वल टू 200 डिग्री. फाइंड मेजर ऑफ आर्क DE and measure of arc DEF. Solution of this problem. In a circle with center C, angle ECF is equal to measure of arc EF, because the measure of central angle is equal to measure of corresponding minor arc. Therefore, angle ECF is equal to measure of arc EF is equal to 70 degree and measure of arc DGF is equal to 200 degree given in a problem. केंद्रीय कोनाचे माप त्या कोनाने अंतरित केलेल्या लघुकंसाच्या मापा एवढे असते, म्हणून अँगल ECF बरोबर माप कंस EF is equal to 70 degree. Measure of complete circle is 360 degree. वर्तुळाचे अंशात्मक माप 360 अंश असते. सम ऑफ आर्क, मेजर ऑफ आर्क DE प्लस मेजर ऑफ आर्क EF plus measure of arc DGF is equal to 360. In the circle with center C, arc DE plus arc EF plus arc FGD to complete one circle, and the measure of circle is 360. Therefore, sum of three arcs is equal to 360 degree. Substitute the value measure of arc DE to find out, plus measure of arc EF, that is angle ECF is equal to 70 degree plus 200. Measure of arc DE is equal to 70 plus 200, 270 is equal to 360. 270 goes on RHS side, then we get minus. Measure of arc DE is equal to 360 minus 270 is equal to 90 degree. This is the measure of arc DE is equal to 90 degree. And second, measure of arc DEF to find out. This is the DEF. This measure of arc DEF is a sum of two arc DE plus arc EF. Therefore, measure of arc DEF is equal to sum of measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF. Substitute the value 90 plus 70, then we get 160 degree. Therefore, measure of arc DEF is equal to 160 degree. Second problem in a practice set 3.3. In figure, triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. Prove that number 1, arc RS congruent arc QS, congruent arc QR. Measure second, measure of arc QRS is equal to 240 degree. To prove that this first arc RS congruent are QS, congruent are QR. And second, measure of RQRS is equal to 240 degree. In problem, triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. त्रिकोण QRS हा समभुज त्रिकोण दिलेला आहे. Solution of this problem. In a circle with center O, triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. When equilateral triangle has all sides congruent and every angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. समभुज त्रिकोणाच्या सर्व बाजू एकरूप असतात आणि प्रत्येक कोण 60 अंशाचा असतो. Therefore, in a triangle QRS, side QR, congruent side RS and congruent side QS. Three sides are congruent in equilateral triangle. Therefore, by using theorem of chords and corresponding minor arc, वर्तुळाची जीवा आणि संगत कंस याबद्दल आपण दोन प्रमेय पाहिलेले आहेत. Segment QR, segment RS and segment QS are chords of circle. या वर्तुळाच्या जीवा आहेत. When by using theorem, corresponding arcs of congruent chords are congruent. एकरूप जीवांच्या संगत लघुकंस एकरूप असतात. Therefore, chord QR congruent chord RS congruent chord QS. Therefore, the corresponding arc of chord QR is a arc QR. Corresponding arc of chord RS is arc RS, and corresponding arc of chord QS is arc QS. मग या जीवांच्या संगत जे लघुकंस आहेत ते कंस एकरूप असतात. Therefore, arc RS congruent arc QS congruent arc QR. It is a proof for first. Second, measure of arc QRS is equal to 240 degree. To find out, first, to find the measure of arc QR, measure of arc RS and measure of arc QS. Three arcs are congruent on the circle. To complete circle, the sum of these three arcs. Therefore, measure of circle is 360 degree. Therefore, sum of arc, measure of arc RS plus measure of arc QS plus measure of arc QR is equal to measure of circle 360 degree. Then measure of arc RS is a congruent arc QS is a congruent arc QR. Then we get 3 multiply measure of arc QR. Measure of arc QR plus measure of arc QR plus measure of arc QR is equal to 3 multiply measure of arc QR is equal to 360 degree. हे तीनही कंस एकरूप आहेत. RS च्या ऐवजी आपण QR जर ठेवला आणि QS च्या ऐवजी आपण जर QR कंस ठेवला तर तिघांची बेरीज 3 multiply measure of arc QR is equal to 360 येते. These three goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, measure of arc QR is equal to 360 upon 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 0. Then we get measure of arc QR is equal to 120 degree. QR is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, measure of arc RS is also 120 degree. And the measure of arc QRS is the sum of measure of arc QR and measure of arc RS. Therefore, measure of arc QRS is equal to measure of arc QR plus measure of arc RS is equal to 120 plus 120 is equal to 240 degree. Hence, it is a proof also. Problem number 3 in a practice set 3.3. In a figure, chord AB congruent chord CD. Prove that arc AC congruent arc BD. This is the figure. या वर्तुळामध्ये chord AB is a congruent chord CD आहे. Then prove that arc AC congruent arc BD हे सिद्ध करायचं आहे. Solution of this problem. In a circle, chord AB is a congruent chord CD. This is a chord AB is a congruent chord CD. By using theorem, corresponding arc of congruent chord are congruent. एकरूप जीवांच्या संगत असलेले लघुकंस किंवा विशाल कंस एकरूप असतात. This is a chord AB. The corresponding arc of chord AB is this arc AB, and chord CD, the corresponding arc is arc the CAD. By using this theorem, then take a point P on the circle. When you understand the arc, take a point P on the circle. वर्तुळावर P हा एक बिंदू घेतलेला आहे. Chord AB is a congruent chord CD. By using theorem, the corresponding arc of chord AB is the measure of arc APB is equal to the corresponding arc of chord CD. The CD is the measure of arc CPD. Therefore, measure of arc APB is equal to measure of arc CPD. Then measure of arc APB is the sum of arc APD plus BD. APB हा कंस APD आणि कंस BD या दोघांची बेरीज आहे. Therefore, arc APD plus arc BD is equal to measure of arc CPD. CPD is the sum of arc CA and arc APD is equal to arc AC plus arc APD. On both sides, arc APD is the same, having same sign. Therefore, this arc APD goes on RHS side, then we get minus. Arc BD is equal to arc AC plus arc APD minus arc APD. Plus minus measure of arc APD get cancelled. Hence, therefore, arc BD is a congruent arc AC. Hence, it is a proof arc AC is a congruent arc BD. Problem number 4. Solve problems in textbook. A, B and C are any points on the circle with center O. Write the name of all arcs formed due to these points. And second, if measure of arc BC is equal to 100 degree, measure of arc AB is equal to 125 degree, find measure of all remaining arcs. पहा, O केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये ABC हे 3 बिंदू वर्तुळावरती आहेत. या 3 बिंदूपासून तयार होणाऱ्या सर्व कंसाची नावे लिहा. आणि सेकंड, if measure of arc BC is equal to 100, measure of arc AB is equal to 125, find the measure of all remaining arcs. तर उर्वरित कंसाची मापे सुद्धा लिहा. Solution of this problem. In a circle with center O, point A, B, C is on the circle. Therefore, name of the arc. Number 1, arc AB. Number 2, arc BC. Number 3, arc AC. Number 4, arc ABC, arc BCA, arc CAB. These arcs are formed. These are the name: arc AB, arc BC, arc AC, arc ABC, arc BCA, and arc CAB. Second, if measure of arc BC is equal to 110 degree and measure of arc AB is equal to 125, find measure of all remaining arcs. Therefore, measure of complete circle is 360 degree. Therefore, sum of measure of arc AB plus arc BC plus arc AC, then we get complete circle. Hence, measure of arc AB plus measure of arc BC plus measure of arc AC is equal to 360 degree. Two arcs given in a problem, substitute the value. Measure of arc AB is equal to 125 plus measure of arc BC is equal to 100. Measure of arc AB is equal to 125 plus 100 plus measure of arc AC is equal to 360. 125 plus 100 is equal to 225 plus measure of arc AC is equal to 360. 225 goes down this side, we get minus measure of arc AC is equal to 360 minus 225 is equal to 135. This is the measure of arc AC is equal to 135 degree. To find the remaining arcs, measure of arc ABC, this sum of two arcs, a measure of arc AB plus measure of arc BC is equal to 125 plus 100 is equal to 225 degree. Measure of arc BCA, this arc BCA is the sum of arc BC plus measure of arc AC. Therefore, measure of arc BCA is equal to 100 plus 125 is equal to 225 degree. Measure of arc BAC is equal to measure of arc AB 125 plus 135 is equal to 260 degree. Problem number 5. In a figure, a rectangle PQRS is inscribed in a circle with center T. Prove that number 1, arc PQ congruent arc SR. Second, arc SPQ congruent arc PQR. In a circle with center T, PQRS is a rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite side of rectangle are congruent. आयताच्या सम्मुख भुजा एकरूप असतात. Solution of this problem: in a circle with center T, number 1, arc PQ is a congruent arc SR. To prove that, quadrilateral PQRS is rectangle. चौकोन PQRS हा आयत आहे. Opposite side of rectangle are congruent. Therefore, chord PQ is a congruent chord SR. Side PQ is opposite side SR are congruent. Therefore, it is a chord of circle. Chord PQ is a congruent chord SR. By using theorem, corresponding arc of congruent chords are congruent. एकरूप जीवाच्या संगत कंस एकरूप असतात. या प्रमेयाचा उपयोग करून the corresponding arc of chord PQ is the arc PQ congruent arc SR. Hence first is a proof. Similarly, the remaining opposite side PS is a congruent side QR. Therefore, side PS and QR are chords of circle. Therefore, chord PS is a congruent chord QR. By using theorem of corresponding arc of congruent chords are congruent. Therefore, the corresponding arc of chord PS is the arc PS. Therefore, arc PS is a congruent arc QR. Similarly, here arc SPQ is given. To add the arc PQ on both sides of this equation, then we get arc SPQ is a congruent arc PQR. Therefore, arc PS is a congruent arc QR. To add arc PQ on both sides, arc PS plus arc PQ is a congruent arc QR plus arc PQ. In this figure, the arc PS plus arc PQ is equal to arc SPQ. On LHS side, the sum of these two arcs is arc SPQ. On RHS side, the arc QR plus arc PQ, then we get arc PQR on RHS side. Hence, therefore, arc SPQ is a congruent arc PQR. Hence, second is a proof. In figure, a square ABCD is inscribed in a circle with center O. Prove that arc AB is a congruent arc BC, congruent arc DC, congruent arc AD with the help of this figure. आकृतीच्या मदतीने सर्वांनी हे प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. एकदम सोपं आहे. स्क्वेअर, ऑल साइड्स ऑफ स्क्वेअर आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. चौरसाच्या सर्व बाजू एकरूप असतात म्हणून सर्व जीवा एकरूप होतील. बाय युजिंग थेरम. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. यशस्वी होण्यासाठी सोमनाथ गीते मॅथ एक्सपर्ट या चॅनलवरील YouTube व्हिडिओ पहा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वान यशस्वी हाताने सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.